Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to the first of my planned air fryer recipes. And in this one I'll show you how to air fry these irresistible crispy golden brown roast potatoes in only 20 minutes, and absolutely no parboiling involved. You can view the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website. Whatever device you're watching this video on, you'll find all the relevant links in the description box under the video. Simply click on the little word more and all will be revealed. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Okay, it's very important to use the right potatoes. In the UK, Morris Piper or King Edward are the best for roasting. And for the USA, I've been assured that Yukon Gold is the one to go for. But wherever you are in the world, do a bit research on what's the best potatoes for roasting. Once you have your potatoes peeled, cut them into approximately 3 centimetres, that's about 1¼ inch pieces. And a very quick mention to the channel's Patreon members and supporters, I'll be giving the latest list a shout out a little later in the video. Now get them into a bowl and give them a good rinse in cold water. And this will get all of the starch off them. Now pat them dry in kitchen paper or a towel. Now get them into a dry bowl and add half of the oil from the ingredients list, which is 15 ml or 1 tablespoon. I'll be using the other tablespoon a little later in the recipe. I'm using sunflower oil in the video, but any neutral tasting oil would be okay. Next to go in at this stage is a good pinch of sea salt. Now toss the potatoes until they are completely coated in the oil. Now set those aside for now. A quick word about this basic Ninja Max air fryer that I'll be using for this recipe. And I'd like to say up front that I'm not being sponsored by this company in any way. I bought this air fryer using my own money and found it to be a basic but good all-round air fryer and quite affordable. And that's all I'll say about it. The many air fryers that we've used over the past few years always work better when preheating them, just like you would do with a conventional oven. So I'm setting this at 200 Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, for 3 minutes. Okay, ready to get these potatoes in. Make sure you set the hot food basket down on a board. And in go the potatoes with a very satisfying sizzle. Once in, set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 Fahrenheit, and set the overall time for 20 minutes. But we will be reducing that temperature after 10 minutes. Also, we'll be doing a little work on the potatoes every 5 minutes, so don't wander away from your air fryer. Right, after 5 minutes, take out the basket and give it a good shake. This releases any that's stuck and it roughs up the edge of the potatoes a bit. Replace the basket and I'll be back again in 5 minutes. Okay, that's 10 minutes of the overall time gone. Get the basket out again and give them another shake. Now you can add the 2nd tablespoon of oil. As soon as the oil goes in, give them another shake and get them back into the machine. And now reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius, that's 355 Fahrenheit for the last 10 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes to go. So give them another shake and straight back in for the final 5 minutes. The shaking every 5 minutes ensures that the potatoes are evenly cooked and coloured. And while they're roasting for the last 5 minutes, I hope you don't mind if I give my 4 recipe books a quick shout out. The books have lots of our favourite recipes from our work kitchens in them, and also book 4 in this series is totally dedicated to bread recipes. The skeleton style oven gloves, now supporting our company name, are also available too. Just check out the links in the description box below the video for all of the equipment used in this video. Right, time's up. Get them out and give them a final shake. To remove any excess oil, tip them into a bowl lined with kitchen paper and let them sit for a moment. After a minute or so, remove the paper and now you can add your herbs and seasoning. I'm using chopped parsley, sea salt and black pepper. Fresh rosemary and or thyme would be a good choice for your herbs too. And you can actually hear how light and crisp these are. Okay, I'll get mine into a serving dish. Right, now as you can see, a perfect balance of fluffy on the inside and very crisp on the outside. A quite superb roast potato. And they taste absolutely amazing. Just listen to that crunch. Everyone loves a good roast potato, and how quick and easy were they? A big thumbs up for these guys. And as promised earlier in the video, here is the latest list of my Patreon, PayPal and Super Thank You button supporters. And they are Michelle McKinnon, Justin Carpenter, Darius 4440, Darrell Elder 1352, Jens K 3250 and Voyager 8195. Thanks very much guys, I really do appreciate all that you do in supporting the channel. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.